So let's display all the books in the body of the shared books page, body, and we are going to have a list view builder there, and then we need to first give item count, which is books dot length, and then item builder context is given, index is given, then we need to return a widget that shows all the details of the book. Let's first have a container to wrap up everything. Container we can give some paddings and the like. So let's give some padding, and we can give a color. Let me use lime and the like. And then as a child we can give a widget to display a book. Since we are going to do read-only information, let's have a card widget which provides some nice looking decorations. Then in this card we can set a color of a card, which color is slightly different from container background. So let's give a little bit lighter lime color there. And then elevation has some visual effect of the card lift off from the screen, so some shading effects is there. And then as the contents of the child, contents of the card, we need to give a widget on the child parameter. So let's give a column, and then here in this column widget, let's display the information about the one book. So image, cached network image, let's use that one. And this one, first the image URL is books, and index is provided, and image URL, and the placeholder is when context URL is provided. Then let's give a circular progress indicator there, and then error widget. In case of error, context URL error is given, then let's use icons dot the specific icon is error icon. Okay, let's use error outline. So we have used this one consistently there. That's for the image part. And for title, so let's give a title here. Let's use a string template notation, books index dot title, and let's give author there, and let's give some pretext for that. Author is like that, and title we can just keep that. It's sometimes it's obvious there. And then let's do publication year, and this is pub year. The benefit of using template, string template, is that if this is integer, that is converted for a string display automatically. And then let's give a review. Review may be a longer one, so what I want to do is first with using the string template, let's say review, and then give books index dot review. The actual review is there, but let's give some style, that text style, font size, let's give a little bit bigger than others, and colors with some other things. Let's give a teal at this moment. If it's not appropriate, we can change it later. And then Finally, let's give some other information left over, that is created by is books index created by, and last updated at lowercase y, then here last updated at. One more information may be shared with us, so let's give shared with and let's display shared with list. So we create a list view for all the books shared. So let's test it. Let's sign in as to.uco.edu and shared with me. So we have one book, two, three books shared with me. So shared with me, two is there, two is there, and two is there, and the like. So using container and the card, we give some nice looking decoration, something like that. And another one you may want to change is that all those texts are centered, but if you prefer to left justified, then you need to control the column, that is cross-axis alignment, cross-axis alignment by start, then reload that. It's all left justified. Whichever you think better, you can choose the alignment like that.